FortiOS 7.6 is out, and it comes with a lot of security enhancement for your environment. Things like generative AI, with the availability of FortiAI in all the products that can be able to assist the knock and SOC teams, and it's also be able to facilitate critical decision making for more efficient operations and all that. We have the managed devices, and also we have the unified agent integrations. This is very interesting because FortiClient has been one of the most useful endpoints in the industry that has to do with endpoint protection and some use cases for agents like VPN agents and all that. Now Fortinet has been able to merge EDR functionalities to FortiClient, which means that if you're looking for a solution like Fortinet solution for EDR and for ZTNA, you don't have to use two agents again. You can now use FortiClient for that functionalities, which means that FortiClient can be able to operate as EDR solution for forensic analysis, and you can also be able to enjoy ZTNA and endpoint protection and vulnerability scanning with FortiClient. And if you're also interested in using SASE solution, a secure access service edge, FortiClient can be installed and be useful for all those use cases. So it's a very robust solution, and Fortinet has done a great thing to be able to merge that functionality with FortiClient. Then we have data protection, which enhances data protection and ensures that your sensitive information remains secure no matter where it resides in the hybrid cloud. So I have my FortiGate VM, and I'm going to I've upgraded to 7.6 in my home lab, and I'm just going to show you some of the features on the FortiGate device. So let's log in. So I'm going to log into the FortiGate device now, looking at what the 7.6 is going to offer with new interfaces. So let's see what these are for us. So let's check out the intuitive. Let's see this. I hope it plays. Yeah. So let's see this video. Wow.
Welcome to FortiOS version 7.6 with significant updates and improvements. Let's take a look at just how many new features we've added. Tables have been modernized and are now much easier and faster to use. When objects are selected, the controls for them, editing, deleting, and so on, conveniently appear right below the selected row rather than staying at the top of the screen. When creating or editing an object, instead of loading up a new page, the dialog just slides in, so changes can be made without losing context. Upgrading the firmware of FortiGates and other devices has been greatly streamlined in FortiOS 7.6. The entire upgrade experience is now in a single view, with all upgradable devices listed. As always, the upgrade firmware can be downloaded automatically from FortiGuard, or the admin can upload firmware files directly. Different updates can be scheduled separately to minimize network downtime. The status of all upgrades, current or future, is available at any time in any screen in the interface, in a table pinned to the bottom right corner, persisting even if you log out and back in. The IPsec wizard has been updated and renamed as the VPN wizard. Sharing the user-friendly look and feel as the rest of the FortiOS interface, the VPN wizard guides the administrator through the creation of the VPN, including features that integrate with the FortiClient agent, such as setting security posture tags. At the last step, the wizard lists all of the associated objects that will be created with the tunnel. Once the VPN tunnel has been created, all the advanced tunnel settings are immediately available for editing. The tunnel dialog also has a new Tunnel Objects view, so administrators can conveniently view and configure all of the objects associated with the main tunnel. We've greatly improved the security rating feature of FortiOS in version 7.6. Now, the scan updates in real time continuously, triggered every time there's a configuration change or associated log event. Objects with configuration weaknesses are highlighted in the table, with different colors indicating the severity of the risk. Hovering over the highlighted object pops up a second tooltip with details of the security rating insights. For instance, here's an interface with an insecure protocol and admin access enabled. Once the protocol is disabled, the security rating is updated right away. Tables can even be filtered for specific security issues. On the list of policies, we can filter by policies that don't have a unique name or any other security rating insight type. Of course, the security ratings page is still available in the Security Fabric section of the navigation bar. All of the current security risks are listed in one place for easy review. They can also be filtered in various formats such as FSBP, PCI, or CIS. And finally, PCERT vulnerabilities have their own dedicated view on a separate tab. FortiOS 7.6 comes with data loss prevention capabilities, DLP. The system scans network traffic, watching for patterns of data that need to be kept secure, such as credit card or social security numbers. It can also scan for exact matches on specific data values important to the organization. With a FortiGuard subscription, administrators have a large library of expert-generated data patterns to choose from. They can even select more or fewer matching criteria to set different confidence levels to get the right balance of quantity and precision. Recently, Fortinet announced the introduction of the first secure network devices enabled with the improved speed and bandwidth of Wi-Fi Generation 7 technology. And of course, FortiOS 7.6 supports configuring these Wi-Fi 7 enabled devices and their advanced settings. Thanks for watching. We think you're really going to enjoy working with this version. Check out the full list of new features in the guide linked below.
Okay, so let's check out the features. We have 9 features we just got to know. Let's see the dashboard. So what really changed? I think we can add more widgets here. FortiView applications, bandwidth, all this. So there's a lot of things I'm going to show in the coming videos, how you can create policies using the operating systems of maybe the devices to either grant access or block access to internet internet resources and all that. So there is a lot of features to explore, though the general availability build, so I don't think a lot of people will have it installed. There's a lot of features coming out, and we're going to check it out.